repo data file is missing, XML file is missing. Check whether it is just now I have copied it. Check whether it is there or not. I have all these packages in RHEL 6 now. Okay, repo data. I need to have, yes, here I am having. Now we'll check it. Already I have configured that yum. Okay, now yum clean, I'll do it. Clean that cache. Already I am having repo file with the name basic.repo. I have done that. It's taking my system slow. Now check with yum install. Okay, look here. Now it is working, because this in this directory there is a file with XML. That file was missing. Okay, due to that previously we got an error. Now it is working. So if you give yum install like that, it will give all the packages that are in that packages. Okay, so that we are having all the list. So now yum is ready. You can install uh, any software in those packages using yum command now. Okay, now it is listing all the, look here, all these. Here it is the package name, it is the version name, here it is basic my repo file. All these are in my repo file. Okay, now it's ready to install any package. Now we'll check that with some command. So how to install a command, install a package using yum. It's very simple. It's not like rpm. If you want to install a package with rpm, what you need to do is you need to go to the directory where you are having that package. That means you always move to the directory package. Okay, there you need to run the command. Whereas if you use yum, okay, so now I am in cd slash, my present working directory is this one. Now I want to install a package. So how to install that one is yum install. So my package name is finger. Just finger star, I forgot that one. Look here, simple, very simple. It will install. Okay, look here, this giant td finger server, all those, no need of all those these are dependencies in giant td, all these are. So but yum is taking care of everything. That is the advantage of yum. Okay, look here, it is asking something. Yes, I'm giving yes. Every time it will prompt for yes. Okay, installing finger. Every it will take care of all the dependencies, supporting packages. Yes, completed. Okay, completed. Oh, look here, giant it is a dependency for finger. We're having this package, then this will work. These two, finger server, finger, both these packages. Okay, now check whether it was installed or not. Finger user is working. So this is working. Finger user, so it is giving the about users. These are the users, nfs nobody, all these are. Okay, that's how we can install a package. So you can give like this also, hyphen y. Then it will ask for prompt whether you want to install the package or not. Every time you no need to enter. This will be helpful when you're installing a package with more. If it asks more times yes, 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 then give like that hyphen y. But you must be aware of whether that package is you are installing or not. You must be aware of that package name. If you know the package name very well, then only give hyphen y. If you don't know, just simply check it. Okay, then if it prompts, then give yes, yes, like that. Okay, that is the how we can install software using yum. Okay, now how to check the installed packages in yum. So the simple command yum list installed. Okay, so these are the installed packages. So if it is rpm, how you will find is rpm hyphen qa. Okay, next if you want to remove a package using yum, so then how to do that? Yum remove. So already just I have installed this package finger. Now I'm removing this package. Okay, finger. So I don't remember the exact version of that finger. Just for that I'm giving star. So it will erase all the packages that will start with finger. But in real time, you must know that version everything. Then only do that. Only uninstall that only. Don't give like this wildcard star. Okay. Link finished dependency resolution error cannot retrieve repository data. There is an error. Na? Check whether it was installed or not. Whether it is installed or uninstalled or not. We can do this by using grep also, or we can do that by using rpm. In such cases rpm is very useful. Mhm. Okay, these are installed, uninstalled, not in uninstalled. Okay, I think there's a problem with this one. Okay, like that you can remove a package. I will check this with rpm. Rpm finger. Okay, not installed. It is saying that not installed. That means it was uninstalled. So, oh, sorry. These are installed. So here it is giving some suggestions. I'll verify it. Skip broken. Okay. Okay. In such case, I will do it this by one. This package. Power cut. ఇక్కడ ఎరోక్ అంటున్నా ఇది. ఓకే సార్, శ్రీకాంత్ సార్, ఐ ఆడిబుల్? యాక్చువల్ పవర్ పోయింది.
సార్ అడుగు.
ఓకే ఓకే, నేను హాట్స్పాట్ ద్వారా అయ్యాను. నీట్గా కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఓకే సార్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఓకే.
ఓకే ఓకే. ఓకే, ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది. బట్ మామూలుగా ఏదైనా ఒక ప్యాకేజ్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలంటే లైక్ దట్ యూ కెన్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ ఇట్. ఓకే okay, now we'll see another concept. I will rectify this later, but simple. If you want to uninstall a package like this, yum remove finger, that package name, that's enough. It will, at the end it will give erased. Okay, so that I will rectify later. Next thing is this, how we can configure a yum server locally means I'm having all my softwares in.
అలా ఎందుకు వస్తుంది భయ్యా? ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా ఒక గంట కనీసం ఒక గంట పావు గంట కూడా ఎక్స్ట్రా లేదు దాంట్లో. ఇది ఏదైతే ఉన్నదో మొన్నది ఇప్పుడు కూడా అదే నా దగ్గర గురించి నేను వెళ్ళలేదు తెలుసా. నేను నా దగ్గర ఉన్న దరిద్రం ఏంటంటే నా దగ్గర ఉన్న
ఓకే ఓకే, చూడండి ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇది లోకల్గా చేశాను కదా. నౌ హౌ టు డూ దిట్ రిమోట్లీ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నౌ దిస్ సర్వర్ యాక్ట్స్ యాజ్ ఏ server. This system acts as a server. Let us consider it as some yum server. Okay, yum server. So now I want to access it, access these packages on another server. This is my second server. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, this is my second server. So here what I need to do is first I will check whether ID is alerted or not. Okay, ID was not alerted, just alert it. 192.168.61.130. sorry, ETH not, I'm not giving any mask. Okay, so it must be up, your neck card must be up. Okay, so I'll check my this also. Okay, it is also not up. Config ETH not 192.168. actually I have restarted now. Temporarily assigned these, so everything was erased, temporarily assigned now. Okay, now this server ID is 130. This consider this as server, and consider this as a client. My client here, my client is 130, and my server IP, sorry, both are given as 130. now do it for this. just give as 129. Okay. Okay, now it is 129. Okay, and the first one is I'm taking it as server. 130 I'm taking as server, 129 I'm taking as client. This is client server technology. Okay, so in server only I'm keeping all these files. So where I'm having all these software packages, I'm having all these in this RHEL 6. Okay, I'm having all these packages. Now to configure between these two, suppose I want to install a package from here in this only. Okay, what I need to do is must and should there must be connection, proper connection between these two. Okay, so దానికోసం ఏం చేయాలంటే you must do one thing, FTP. You must configure FTP. ఓకే, దాంట్లో FTP ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిందో లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. rpm q for FTP the package name is vsftpd. I don't remember everything, so just I'm giving. So it is not installed. Okay, so now you need to install it. So how to install it? rpm hyphen install. You can do that using m also, but why sorry, but why I'm using rpm is basically before configuring yum, you don't have yum command will not work. Let us consider it as yum was not installed. Okay, file not found. Okay, sorry, I need to go to that folder now. cd/packages. Here you need to give that command. No, file not found globally. Just check that with yum whether it will work or not. Okay, look here, there is the advantage of yum. If it is with rpm, it is asking if I am not sure about that file name, it is not installed. So if it is yum, look here, so that was installing. Okay, now on this side, on server side you need to install vsftpd package. On client side you need to install ftp package, because client client can be accessed through ftp now. So on server we must have vsftpd package. On client side you must have ftp package. But on client side, this on this system you are not having uh, that ftp package, and also you are not having these packages. If again you copy all these packages here, no use of this yum now. You don't need to copy all the packages here, you can access that from that server. To access that one you must have active ftp connection. For that only you need ftp connection. Check whether ftp is working here or not by using service or rpm command. You can do that. rpm -q ftp package, whether it was installed or not. So not installed, you must install it. But if you want to install it, you don't have that package. For that what you need to do is you must mount the cd. Check, I have already mounted it. Check whether that was not available. Okay, it is not available. I think I can do that. I'm mounting my cd dvd here. Mount command, mount all. So here it is not showing now. Check it. No. /dev, yes or not. SMT read only. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now it was in this mounted file. Okay, now copy these two media, or from here only you can do that. Okay, go to cd packages. Okay, here what you require is IVH. You need that FTP package. Okay, install that FTP package. Why I'm install? I will tell about this FTP uh, in the next sessions. Just remember this one. If you want to communicate between two servers, if you want to exchange the files between two servers, this is a protocol. FTP is a protocol. I'm having two systems here. This is one system, this is another system. If you want to establish a connection between these two, I'm using FTP here. FTP is the file transfer protocol. So if first one acts as a server, then you must install this package vsftpd. Here I am considering this as server, here I am considering this as client. So for client I'm installing this package, FTP package. Okay, for server I am installing vsftpd package. Okay, so this acts as a server, this acts as the client. What our task is, I want to install a package from this client, but I don't have packages here in my system. I don't, let us consider I am not having all the packages in my system locally. I want to install a package that are in this server. Let us consider this as M server. So for that I need to establish a connection between FTP connection. For that I have installed vsftpd here. Here I have installed FTP. So after establishing it, start that vsftpd service. So for FTP the daemon is vsftpd, and start it. Okay, it's working. And one more thing what you need to do is, here I'm having my packages here in RHEL6 now. Copy these, all these packages to where FTP pub. Okay, but it again it will take some time. What I need to do is check it where FTP. Okay, pub is also there now. Okay, I will do one thing. Move slash RHEL6 to where FTP pub. Okay, RHEL6. Okay, simple thing. Without doing all this, just I have renamed that folder name. Okay, RHEL6. So I am having all this. Okay, why I have done this like this means, here you need to change the repo file address of that repo file, because previously I have done that using local installation. In this server I am having all the package dumps. Here only I have installed. Now now this server needs to act as a M server. I want to access this server from this client. That's why what I need to do is I need to change the repo file. Repo file. So where is my repo file? Actually it is in /etc yum.repos.d. Sorry, yum.repos.d. Here it is. So now open this with So the entries are here. The entries are, so first one is a short name, you know that thing. So now you need to change it, because previously I'm considering it as local installation, but now it was changed as FTP installation. That is somewhere I want to change. So now what you need to change here is, you need to change this path name. So here file, previously it is in this location, but you are making it as FTP. So if you want to access from other server, you must give the location when you are accessing a file using FTP. So that path name is, you know, that one, where
ఇది ఐ థింక్ క్లయింట్ సర్వర్ లో చేయలేము,
ఏంటది
చేసి చేంజెస్ క్లయింట్ సర్వర్ లో చేయలేము.
క్లయింట్ సర్వర్లో చెప్తాను సార్, ఇది జస్ట్ ఫైలే, ఇది సర్వర్లో దీనికి పాత్ ఇస్తున్నాను,
ఓకే ఓకే
మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఓకేనా. క్లయింట్లో చేయాల్సింది నెక్స్ట్ సార్, ఇది సర్వరు, ఓకేనా. ప్రీవియస్గా నేను ఓన్లీ ఇక్కడ పాత RHEL 6 అని ఇచ్చా కదా, నీకు FTPలో రావాలంటే, FTPలో ఉండాలంటే వేరే FTPలో ఉన్న ఫైల్ మాత్రమే షేర్ చేసుకుంటుంది FTP ద్వారా చేసుకుంటే, అందుకోసం ఈ పాత్ మారుస్తున్నాను, ఓకేనా. మీకు FTP కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమయ్యేటప్పుడు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఓకే
యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ జస్ట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి ఇది లొకేషన్ ఎట్లా ఇవ్వాలని. సర్వర్ దగ్గర అయితే వేరే FTP పబ్ అని ఇచ్చేసాం, ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ అగైన్ రీస్టార్ట్ VSFTPD. Okay, starting. Okay, on client side what you need to do is, here I have installed FTP now. Again you need to create a file here. For that where you need to repo file, you need to create repo file. For that you need to go to /etc yum.repos.d. here create a repo file using va command, or you can do that by using create repo command also. Okay, so vi again I'm basic dot repo, here also I'm giving it repo file as basic repo file. So first one is square bracket, my file name basic, my repo name is basic OS. Okay, so for that I'm giving like this. Next name equal to, again red hat yum server package, sorry, red hat RHEL 6 packages. My dump name is this one, OS packages, like that. Okay, next, this is crucial in client, how you need to give that base URL is, here I am accessing by protocol FTP. So previously I have given like file, now how I need to give, here it is FTP shift colon only 2 slashes / where my packages are, they are in where FTP pub. Okay, for that I need to give that one. Okay, and I must specify its IP address. It is in first server, my server IP is 130, I think so. Okay, 130 it is 130. So you must give 130, because you must tell the IP address also, 168.61.130. in that where you are having that packages pub folder. So because by default if you use FTP, by default it will goes to where FTP folder. Again in that we are having a public folder, that is pub. In that we are having RHEL 6 folder. Okay, you must give like that. Next after that gpgcheck enabled, you must give enabled, you must enable this repository now, enabled equal to 1. gpgcheck, don't give gpgcheck because it is not a licensed one. Okay, gpcheck equal to 0. That's it. ftp colon slash like that. Okay, that's it. wq. Now once restart your ftp service vsftpd, restart it. Sorry. Okay, no need to restart it, just ftp package is enough now. Now check this using mcleanall. Okay, now check. I'm not having my packages in the server. Now check whether we're having mlist all. Unable to connect. Okay, ftp is unable to connect. That means we haven't configured ftp. I think we need to do something here. First you need to stop service ip tables. ip tables stop. Okay, next set and force 0. Now restart your vsftpd. ftpd restart. Okay, on this side also do the same thing. Service ip tables stop, set and force 0. Now check whether. Okay, now look here. So we have established a connection, ftp connection between these two servers. Server. I think you understand the motto total. Okay, now it is showing all the packages, but these packages are not installed, sorry, not in this server. Okay, I'm not having all these packages in this client. Here only I'm having all the packages. Here I kept all the packages in this server. My server ip is 130 ip address is 130. Okay, look here. This server, in this server 130 I kept my packages here. Okay, here I kept all the packages here in a folder called var ftp pub. Okay, because I'm using ftp protocol now, that's why I kept all these packages here. But I want to access I want to install a package from here. For that, what I have made is, okay, I have created a repo file like this. Here I have given the path like this, base url. Okay, like this, ftp and that server. Okay, for that you must establish the connection between ftp connection between the server and client, then only it will work, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, now if you want to install a package, again finger, I want to install this package, finger. Look here, it is installing, but this finger package is not in this client machine, in this machine, it is in this machine here. So this acts as m server, this is called m server. Okay, in real time if you're having some 100 servers, no need to copy all the packages in all the servers. So you will keep all the packages in one server, that is called m server, in some location. Generally it may be, if you use ftp protocol, then it may be var ftp pub and that package folder is directory name. After that you will configure a basic repo file. In that basic repo file you will give base url as file colon slash var ftpd pub and that folder name. After that you will restart your ftp service vsftpd daemon. After that you stop IP tables and set enforce 0. After that go to client, you need to install a package FTP. After that you need to configure a repo file name, basic repo file. In that you need to specify that base URL like this FTP, and the IP name fub where you are having. No need to mention where FTP here, because by default if you use this protocol FTP, by default it will go to where FTP. In that fub you are having all the packages. Okay, after that it is just yum clean all, after that yum list all. Okay, then you can install the packages from this client. Okay, you are having in this client, but you can install a package from this server. That is the advantage of yum. Okay, no need of installing every package like in RPM. No need of local installation, you can install remotely. That is the advantage. Okay, in the same way you can install this installation can be done in satellite method also. In satellite method what will do is, so in this basic repo file you will give HTTP, that website name, and also gpgcheck you need to enable one, because you must have license, and also you must specify license key here also. Okay, that is satellite method. Again no need of FTP, but there you must configure Apache means HTTPD service. Okay, then only it will work, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, I think you understood what I told now. Okay, any doubts?